Well, in this quick video, I just want to show you these set of candles that we've bought from Ikea in Leeds. So it comes in this size of box. It's battery operated, and I'll show you inside. This is what it looks like inside. So that's what that looks like, and you can see underneath it it's a battery compartment and all these loose wires. I'll show you what we do next. In here there's 5 candles that match with these, but they're different sizes. That's what they look like, and we're just going to arrange them into the size. So that's what they look like. I'm going to take the longest one in the middle and pop it on here. As you can see there, it's a threaded mechanism, so you have to screw them on. And for each one I put on, obviously I'm going to put that inside it. This light goes inside there, like that. So now I've screwed all those on, we'll go to the bottom and we'll undo the battery compartment, which will require a little screw, because this is a safety mechanism to stop kids getting batteries out. So it's a tiny little screw, so be careful not to lose it. So that's the size of the screw that I'm just going to keep on there. It's magnetic. And you've got to get your nail under that little lip there to prise this off. And then it comes off like that. So I've got 2 AAA batteries. Them 2 are dud. So I tested them, and these 2 have got some power in them. I'm going to pop them in there. So now I've put the 2 batteries, 2 AAA batteries back in. I've put that tiny little screw back in as well. Now we're just going to test to see that they work. Use the light switch on this end. Let's have a look. And they work. That. I've actually got my light on the camera, so it's not showing it too well, I suppose. Turn it off, turn it back on again. Anyway, as I say, the portable, you can move it around any way you want. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you hate it, thumbs down. Bought it from Ikea, I think it was about £6.50, something like that. So, very good for celebrating the festive month of December, if you celebrate Christmas or you don't. If you're non-religious, these are still very nice. I'm non-religious, but I do like to celebrate the month of December anyway. So, say thanks again. Bye-bye.